So in aromatic compound, the fragmentation pattern is large abundance of the molecular ion peak, that is noticed as M+1 and M+2. Very important point, if possibility, the formation of troponium cation, then base peak is observed according to mass of troponium cation. Many aromatic compounds like benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, tetracene, etc. show M plus peak which observed as a base peak. In polynuclear hydrocarbons, multiple charge species like M+2, M+3 ion can be generated. For example, in case of naphthalene, this is a polynuclear hydrocarbon and first time it convert into +1, then also convert into +2. So here the check M by E value, mass divided by charge only 1. But in +2, mass divided charge +2. So M by E 128 divided by 2, that is 64. Now we check one by one fragmentation pattern of, first we check benzene. How benzene converted in their molecular ion. So similar molecular ion as a base peak found in case of benzene. So first example I will take here benzene. Similar pattern, electron bombardment and 2 electron remove. It converted into molecular ion, cation radical, and here check the M by E value, that is the molecular ion peak, and also consider as a base peak, and that is 78. Now if only H radical remove from this, only H radical remove, then it convert into phenyl cation, and here the M by E value is just one hydrogen release, so 77. Now more possibility, in case of in this phenyl cation, acetylene molecule release. When acetylene molecule release, it convert into this type of species. Here H, and here M by E value is found 51. More possibility, in case of in this there is a releasing of C3H2, then it convert into C3H3 plus, and here found the M by E value is found 39. So main important point is, in many aromatic compounds, the molecular ion peak is the base peak found as a benzene. Then I will take the second condition, the formation of troponium cation possibility. So in formation of troponium cation possibility, I will take a general pattern like this. Suppose this type of aromatic hydrocarbons, first bombardment electron, 2 electron remove, it convert into molecular ion, also right here radical cation. Then this molecular ion, now here removal of bonding system of electron transfer to other, then it convert into this CS2, that is benzyl cation. So by benzyl cation it expand in the troponium cation. So here 6 member, now convert into 7 member. CS2 enter in this ring and formation of troponium cation. And always show this troponium cation in molecular mass as a base peak. M by E is 91. M by E is 91 as a troponium cation mass. Another example I will take here like this. I will take here only toluene. First step, electron bombardment, 2 electron remove, then it convert into their molecular ion CH3 cation and radical. Then this cation and radical similar removal of H radical. When H radical removed, here convert into similar like this species benzyl cation, and benzyl cation immediately convert into this tropylium cation and get the mass of tropylium cation, that is M/E 91. Another example I will take here, CS2OH. So there is a possibility of formation of tropylium cation. First electron, then 2 electron system, molecular ion, then it convert into like this, because CS2 convert into the ring and 7-membered ring as a tropylium cation, but here OH group is also there, so it is hydroxy tropylium cation. Hydroxy tropylium cation, and when they check the value here, M/E is found 107. Another example, in case of similar system CS3, maybe OH group at ortho, maybe at para, maybe at meta, so it also convert in the same practice in the formation of hydroxy tropylium cation and show M/E 107. Next we discuss about alkane system.